Hello everyone and welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Piccola espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also had to replace the pressure stat. It's one that you see right here, and these other gaskets right here, including the side glass and other parts of the machine. So yeah, we had to replace the side glass. These guys say they located on the brew boiler, on the group head, on the piston, and the ones are located on the steamer valve. And that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using at the steam. Nice shot of espresso, good crema, good color, and great quantity. You can see steam working perfectly fine. Excellent pressure, working good. So there you have it, the Pavoni Piccola working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repaying Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.